Your Honda CR-V will shine inside and out with our lavishly designed custom-fit neoprene seat covers. In this video, we will show you all the steps for a simple install. Begin by stretching the seat cover bottom over the seat. Tuck the fabric in and around the bottom. You will notice a loop. The strap must be fed through this loop underneath the seat. Now, push the straps through the crevice to the back side. From under the seat bottom, release an elastic strap that is attached to the original backrest. Lift the flap up, grab the straps, then pull and stretch them underneath the seat bottom. Make sure to feed the strap through the attached loop located on the side and under the seat cover, and then connect them together under the seat with the buckle clips. Then, tuck the fabric around the seat bottom and into the base for a snug fit. Next, remove the headrests. Then, starting with the front bucket seats, stretch the backrest cover over the seat. Using the cutouts, tuck the fabric around and under the base of the headrest. Now, push the hook and loop straps through the crevice of the seat bottom. Lift the flap under the back of your seat. Unseal the hook and loop straps from the crevice and attach them beneath the seat. Reattach the flap, then unseal the hook and loop on the backrest cover and secure it to your car's flap. Next, recline the rear seats and stretch the rear bottom cover over the seat and tuck the fabric in. Make sure to use the attached loop and feed the strap through underneath the seat bottom. And then connect them together under the seat with the buckle clips. Next, remove the headrests. Then stretch the fabric over each section of the rear backrest. Tuck the straps through the crevice. Fasten the straps to the back side of the rear backrest with the hook and loop straps. Then, secure the covers to the sections of the backrest with the hook and loop adhesive sides. Finally, reconnect the headrests and slip all the headrest covers on. And that's it! You are ready to enjoy the full benefits of your Honda CR-V with the stylish and practical, newly installed custom-fit neoprene seat covers.